Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add text box in Canva. So without further ado, let's start. First, open your Canva app. You can start by choosing a template or you can start with a blank page. But for now, I choose a template. Now to add a text box, just tap on the Add button. And then from the bottom, you'll see text, just tap on that. From here, you can choose to add a heading. You can also add a subheading, or you can choose from the templates. Now, just tap on the text box and then try to add a text. From here, you can now change the position of the text box. You can also increase or decrease the size. And you can also change the font of the text. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.